That's a cute smile. Can you wheel you? Yes, can you talk for Mama? Yeah. Here's your little voice. There's your smile. You're precious. You want to say something? I think so. Hi, buddy. Hi. Yeah? What do you want to say, huh? What do you want to say? Want your sock back? Where'd you kick your sock off to? You're in your little man gown. Yeah. Little man dress? Your little booty belly? Yes. You like it. You like it. Yes, you do. What are you saying? Okay, maybe next time you'll talk. Maybe next time. Oh, did put your spit up. Okay. Oh, goodness. Oh, fun. Alright. Alright, little guy. Poor little William. Little bit to spit up. You have a stuffy nose, too. Yes, you do. Oh.